You have no idea how happy I am that you are back here with us today. And in our wonderful world of honor roll crafts, we are doing something today with a little touch of nature. Do you like to plant? I mean, I know you could put your plant in just a regular old clay pot, but why would you do that if you can put them in these adorable, hilarious pots with the most cutest faces? I mean, like, come on, do you have a sense of humor or what? I want to become friends with you guys. So who's ready? Actually, one second, I hear something. What are you saying? Oh, that's so cute. One of the cactuses is talking to the other cactus. Wait, what did you say? Oh, she just said you're looking sharp.
You're on a roll. Yeah, you're ready to start. You're on a roll. You're here to take part. You've got a gold imagination. You're an artist at heart. You're on a roll. Yeah, you're ready to play. You're on a roll. Arts and crafts every day. And if you want to make this world a better place with your art, you're on a roll.
Welcome back. And as you can see, this table has changed and grown in so many ways. All the supplies you're going to need for this project is the flower pot with the plate, not the lid. You know what? Why don't you just comment in the comments and let me know. We need a nose. So these adorable wooden little circles you can get in any craft store. Paint to paint it. Googly eyes, I have big and small. Eyelashes. If you go on Amazon, you can order any of these delightful glasses, or you can just hop in to Seaview Glasses Shop and pick which style looks best on you. And then that is really the basics for what you need. But you know, at Honor Roll, we don't just do basic, we do beautiful. So let's just go bigger and brighter. You can add the flower. I got this plant. We have potting soil. For this lady, I said we are gonna make her really funny and hilarious looking. So I got curlers to add to her here. I even got white and gray yarn to make it look like she's aging. It doesn't mean if you have white or gray hair, there's nothing, you're still gorgeous and beautiful. Just some fun accessories to put on the top, like this little sleeping thing for her eyes, or maybe a bow. I'm not even sure exactly what I'm going to add. I'm going to jazz her up with some jewelry. I have earrings, these beautiful earrings and pearls, large glasses, paintbrush, glue gun, if you're old enough, and we're ready to begin. So I'm going to take my flower pot and I'm going to start painting. Up and down strokes. Now, whatever skin color you do, that is great. Okay, so here we go for Mama Planter or Grandma Planter. And here we go for Mini Planter. If you notice, I'm just using a thick brush because we're not doing anything detailed right now. I roll it around my hand as if I'm in a pizza store, but it's probably not even the safest thing to do. It might even be better to put like a paper on the table and then paint on top. And now to paint the nose. Let it dry for just a little bit and then to add personality to the face. These seem pretty dry, so we're ready to add the nose. That's gonna be the next step. So the grandma gets the nice, luscious big nose. We're gonna put it somewhere in the middle. After all, we're gonna prop the glasses right on top of this adorable nose. I think the nose is like my favorite part. Next, I'm going to add the googly eyes. Around here and around there. Okay. Little googly eyes. Where'd you go, I spy? Googly eyes. If you're scared of making lips, like I don't know how to make the shape of lips, remember, we're just making a shape. Don't tell yourself it's lips. Going in the middle of the nose, I'm gonna go up and down, like a little bird flying. Now I'm gonna extend the edges a little bit. Make a little smile. And now make round it out. So adorable. We are done with the paint on this one. For you, my dear, I am just going to fill in your smile with a marker. Here's a Sharpie. Add your eyelashes. I think I thought my nose was my favorite part. I think adding the eyelashes is really my favorite part. Did you ever dream of being those makeup artists that take those little tweezers and put the eyelashes on the person getting makeup? Well, now is your chance to be the beautician. I am going to, this also makes it so 3D. And I'm going to put it on top just like that. Oh, she's winking at me, so cute. And I am so sorry, ma'am. Your vision is still great, but you do need reading glasses. We're gonna head right over, Seaview Optical. This is for children, but this size is perfect for you. Let's try it on. Oh my, you look fantastic. But please take off my prescription. I don't want anyone to see my prescription. We will do that. We're taking that right off. So cute. Would you like to wear some earrings? Yes. Okay. Nice blue earrings on the side. Let's see what looks best. So cute. But you know, this little lady has a little turban like that. What about this? Whoops. Also so cute. But I want to try out the curlers because they, is your nose still there? They just seem so much fun. Okay, so we're going to take out a few curlers and we are going to take some white string and gray string and wrap a little bit around. If you find fake here, that would probably be even better. Adorable. Okay. We have all of our curlers. We are going to add them on. Can you get any cuter and so stylish? I actually feel like you are missing a little bit of blush. So we are going to add just a little bit, very ever so slightly, a little bit of blush on either side. A little pearls to add that little touch. Now, to top it all off, we are going to put the actual plant inside. And for the bigger one, I got this magnificent white plant. That was so much fun. We want to wish you a wonderful day from our plant family. Oh, and they're saying one more thing. What is it, you cute little plants? Oh, they're saying if you love our vibe, then subscribe and click that little bell button so you know when the next awesome video comes out. Have a wonderful day.